Today I'm reviewing one of the most luxurious and rare sedans ever built, the 2026 S680 V12 Final Edition. This car is limited to only 50 units worldwide and it represents the final chapter of Mercedes' legendary V12 engine. Let's start with the exterior features. The design is elegant and calm. It does not look sporty or aggressive. The car comes with a hand-crafted paint finish, olive metallic on the upper body and deep black on the lower part. A thin pinstripe separates the colors, showing true craftsmanship. At the front, the iconic Maybach chrome grille and advanced digital LED headlights give the car a royal presence. Exclusive Maybach wheels and chrome detailing complete the luxury look. Now moving inside the cabin. The interior quality is on another level. Almost every surface is covered in premium nap leather combined with real wood trim. The stitching, materials and finishing feel extremely solid and extensive. Even the roof liner is adding to the handcrafted luxury feel. Inside the cabin, there is a special Ek of 50 badge reminding you that this is not an ordinary car. The rear seat experience is the heart of the Maybach S680. This car is designed to be enjoyed from the back. The rear seats are fully reclining executive seats with massage, heating and cooling functions. Legroom and headroom are excellent and the rear center console offers touch controls and storage. Rear passengers also get individual entertainment screens. This feels more like travel than a car ride. When it comes to technology, everything is smooth and easy to use. The car features the latest infotainment system with large digital displays. The screens are clear, responsive and not confusing. Ambient lighting offers multiple color options, allowing you to change the mood of the cabin. Technology here is not flashy, it works quietly in the background. Comfort is where this Maybach truly stands out. The car uses advanced air suspension which absorbs road bumps effortlessly. Bad roads feel smooth and highway driving feels calm and relaxed. The cabin is extremely quiet due to heavy sound insulation and active noise cancellation. You barely hear the engine or outside traffic. And then the hood is the soul of this car, a 6.0-liter V12 engine. It produces over 600 horsepower and delivers power in the smoothest way possible. The car can go from 0 to 100 km/h in about 4.5 seconds, but speed is not the focus here. The true beauty of the V12 is its silence and smoothness. There is no vibration or no harsh sound, just effortless movement. In terms of safety, the Maybach S680 comes with advanced systems including adaptive cruise control, lane assist, emergency braking and monitoring. These systems are designed to reduce driver stress and keep passengers safe. What truly makes this car special is its exclusivity. Only 50 units will ever exist. This car is not built for daily traffic, it is built for collectors and people who understand luxury and automotive history. The 2026 S680 V12 Final Edition is not just a luxury sedan. It is a symbol of craftsmanship, comfort and legacy. This is not just the best Maybach. This is the best V12.